See some gold right now. So let's get into it. As you can see on my chart right now, we have the 4 hour time frame. Currently, gold is still on a bullish trend, but it's already it's already hit the recent supply zone, and we can see a shift from there, and because the market is already reacting, price is already reacting from this level. So we can see a shift to the downside from this level, and this market becomes a fully bearish trend. So right now we are still on the change of character phase. Yeah, the market is still trying to show change of character and signs, and eating the supply zone, market is creating sort of chart pattern. For those of you that understand chart pattern very well, if you look at this pattern, you can see sort of a symmetrical triangle, and a symmetrical triangle is a very strong reversal pattern. But most of the times it depends. It depends. Symmetrical triangle can be a continuation of a trend or a trend reversal. Yeah, it can indicate as a continuation of a trend or a trend reversal, because this price can actually break to the downside or to the upside. So let me show you guys. Price can easily do something like this. Then break to the downside, and this becomes a fully bearish trend. Or price can also do something like this too. Uh, uh, to the upside, and this becomes a continuation of trend. Understand? So don't let that deceive you, or do not allow that to manipulate you or take a loss at this level. So for me, today is Monday and the week is just starting. Also, we have the Fed news coming up. I think on the 10th, yeah, the rate decision. So I think the market is already preparing for that. So there's not going to be much that will happen without decision. But let's see how it goes though. But today is Monday and the week is still fresh. So I advise anyone who's want to trade, you should really be careful, because gold is actually consolidating right now. Yeah, that's it. It's consolidating on the higher time frame right now. So on our symmetrical triangle, you can see from in the entire time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see price already creating a lot of there's a lot of reaction at this supply level, and here is and you can see our liquidity level here. You can see equal highs at this level. There's a lot of equal highs at this level, so there's liquidity there. So what I expect price, and if you look at what price is doing, it's sort of creating sort of head and shoulder pattern. Uh, So I think what I'm expecting is something like this. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting for price to do right now. And we just I think just a few minutes. Okay. New York session right now. So New York session is just opening right now. So um this is what I expect on gold right now for price to do. And let's see how it goes. I'll just set my penny order. Like I said, I'm waiting penny order at this level and set my TP at this very demand level, the most recent demand. No, not the most recent, but this is a demand level here. Here should be your TP, and your SL should be the recent supply level on the lower time frame. If you go to the lower time frame, there's a supply level here, and there should be your SL. So this is a waiting payment order on the 1 hour time frame. This is easy. You can see a bearish head and shoulder already forming. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So you can see a bearish head and shoulder forming, and price already reacted at this supply level. Now this candlestick here, this wing here, this armor candlestick. Those of you that understand candlestick pattern, you can see armor candlestick here and retesting from the supply level, which significant a very powerful reversal. This is a armor candlestick, a bearish armor candlestick from the supply level, and that's significant as a liquidity sweep. This is the liquidity sweep that happened at all these equal highs. This was the sweep that happened, and now price already forming bearish head and shoulder. And what we just want to see is a break of structure to the downside. See a break to the downside, then a retest at this level. You should be selling. Actually, you should see the next resistance at this level, then you sell. So that's what I expect price to do. So let's see how it goes on gold. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also leave a comment below. What do you think about gold? Do you think gold is going to sell, or is a continuation of trend, or do you think this is a bearish trend phase? Or so what do you think? Just leave a comment below in the comment section. Peace, guys.